Hey everyone, welcome back to the Global MegaBuilds. Today we're taking a closer look at the incredible progress inside the Spotify Camp Nou, the future home of FC Barcelona. The transformation is moving faster than ever, and with every update, the stadium's new identity becomes clearer. From the massive steel roof panels to the modern facade taking shape outside, everything is coming together piece by piece. Let's jump right in and explore how this iconic venue is evolving into one of the most advanced football stadiums in the world. Starting with the main roof structure, we can now appreciate how the overhanging steel panels expand gracefully around the stadium's perimeter. These enormous elements define the stadium's new silhouette, creating the impression of a floating canopy that will eventually cover every seat in the arena. The installation work here is advancing in perfect coordination, piece by piece, as engineers ensure exact alignment with the central compression ring at the top. Moving to the lateral stand, crews are deeply focused on the upper framework. This area plays a vital structural role, connecting the stands to the roof's trusses. The finishing work on the upper beams and their welding points shows just how complex and precise the assembly process is. These sections will later support both the lighting and sound systems, guaranteeing an immersive experience for fans once matches return to the stadium. Across at the Tribuna side, we can see a constant rhythm of progress. The concrete tiers are being completed and sealed, while the support beams are gradually extending toward the outer roof ring. This part of the project demands millimeter-level accuracy. Every beam must align perfectly with the rest of the structure to maintain balance and strength. It's the heart of the Camp Nou's new roof system. Meanwhile, at the south goal, progress continues at an equally fast pace. The curvature of the roof here is now almost fully defined. Metal connectors, tension cables, and side panels are being installed to give the entire section its final rigidity. Once completed, both goals will stand as symmetrical anchors of the new stadium's design, seamlessly tied into the rest of the structure. On the outside, one of the most eye-catching updates is the installation of the metal louvres, or lamas, across several facades. These horizontal fins will not only create a striking visual texture, but also regulate light and airflow inside the stadium. As more sections are installed, we begin to see the modern identity of the new Camp Nou emerge. Elegant, dynamic, and unmistakably Barça. And now, one of the most exciting upgrades, the parking and surrounding area. This part has seen a major transformation in recent months. The entire underground parking system is being rebuilt. There will be more levels than before, with smart navigation screens that guide vehicles to available spots. The new layout includes wider lanes, dedicated EV charging zones, and direct access elevators leading straight into the stands. Overall, the entire construction now feels cohesive. From the roof's intricate geometry to the facade's metallic finish and the foundation level improvements. The new Camp Nou is no longer just a concept. It's a living, evolving project nearing its final stage. Each passing week brings us closer to seeing the finished home of FC Barcelona, a place where history meets innovation, and where the future of the club will unfold before thousands of fans once again. The pace, precision, and vision behind this transformation are truly remarkable. And every new update reminds us that something extraordinary is in the making here in Barcelona. Stay tuned for more updates as the project continues to move forward. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us next time for another detailed look at the evolution of the Spotify Camp Nou.